Hundreds of aftershocks continue to rattle much of the Southland following the 5.1 magnitude earthquake out of La Habra last week. The most recent and startling shake reported by the U.S. Geological Survey was an 8.2 magnitude earthquake just off the coast of Chile, prompting tsunami warnings for Chile, Peru, and Ecuador. Thanks to local organizations, when something catastrophic happens, the city will be in good hands. Reporter Jacqueline Sarkeesian attended a drill hosted by one of these organizations in Torrance to find out more.
Where's my mom?
When a disaster strikes, having a plan of action to keep your family safe is crucial.
She's responsive, her pulse is 80.
CERT, the Community Emergency Response Team in Torrance, held its routine earthquake drill. Coincidentally, just 12 hours after the 5.1 La Habra earthquake, the largest trembler to hit Southern California since 2008.
It was ironic that it happened last night. We want the residents to be prepared. We want the city to be prepared.
Over 70 CERT members participated in a nearly 2-hour drill at South High School.
We did have an earthquake and some aftershocks last night, so we're kind of simulating that.
As part of the drill, volunteers played the part of injured victims, and triage tags were placed on each one so they were properly assessed.
There's some victims inside, so they're having to remove them and decide how to treat them.
CERT members select a commander, divide into groups, and try to evaluate the situation. Then, searching and rescuing people who need medical treatment.
First of all, see what our injuries are, try to aid them.
In the event of a real disaster, CERT volunteers act as an aid to first responders until they arrive, whether that's examining the victims or helping to direct residents to safety.
Technically, the fire department should, or someone should be able to take them to the hospitals, but we've told them how, if it's a major emergency, the fire department's not coming.
In case of an emergency or disaster, every household and car should have one of these, an emergency backpack full of basic essentials to help you get through it.
Most of the stuff that's important that we'll need is we have a bag of rubber gloves. We stash food in these things, bars, protein bars, bandages, gauze, tape rolls.
And with the recent 8.2 earthquake off the coast of Chile this week, it's another reminder that everyone should be prepared for any type of disaster at any time. Reporting for Torrance City Cable, I'm Jacqueline Sarkeesian.
Thanks, Jacqueline. If you're interested in joining CERT and learning more about disaster preparedness, call 323-459-6462.
You might not associate disco with saving lives, but local students learned they actually go hand in hand when they teamed up with Torrance Memorial Medical Center.